In a galaxy far, far away, there lived a small and round droid named R2-D2. He was a friend to many, with a heart full of kindness and a spirit of adventure. One sunny day, R2-D2 decided to explore the vast desert of Tatooine. He rolled along, beeping happily as the warm sand tickled his metal feet. As R2-D2 journeyed, he came across a small, lost creature. It was a baby sandcrawler, stranded and scared. R2-D2 knew he had to help. With a flick of his arm, R2-D2 guided the sandcrawler back to its family. They were overjoyed, and the baby sandcrawler thanked R2-D2 with a warm, sandy hug. Feeling happy, R2-D2 continued his adventure. He rolled through the desert, helping other creatures along the way. He fixed broken droids, found lost toys, and even helped a lost Jawa find his family. As the sun began to set, R2-D2 returned home. He was tired but content. He had learned that helping others brought joy not just to them, but to him as well. From that day on, R2-D2 became known as the Helper of Tatooine. He continued his adventures, always ready to lend a helping hand to those in need. And so, R2-D2 lived happily, spreading kindness and adventure wherever he went. The end. Good night, little ones. May the Force be with you.